Don't know what he's doing. But hi guys, we are at Stars of Time in Western Supermare at the Helicopter Museum. It's my first Comic Con, but I'm working with someone that's working there. So it's my first Comic Con, but I'm working with someone that's working there. So it's very complicated, and I'm getting thrown in at the deep end, aren't I?
Very.
We've got a cube. We've got the Sonic. Well, Matt was at the Sonic. Matt has the book. We've got the costume, and we are literally just waiting for 10. It's 9:15 right now.
Yeah, man.
I will try and vlog as much as I can throughout the day. But yeah. Anyway, see you guys in a bit. Bye.